tout le monde a de la beauté, mais tout le monde ne la voit pas.
Welcome to Vasa Group, where science meets beauty and innovation in a plethora of dermactive premium products. Today, we have remarkable individuals from different parts of the world who will guide you through Vasa's state-of-the-art facilities and introduce you to Vasa's exquisite and innovative products. We're proud to walk you through Vasa's superior assortments, each tailored to cater to your unique needs. Let's join them on this exciting journey.
Welcome to Vasa.
Presenting to you Vasa's exquisite European and American collection, premium skincare products that epitomize elegance and luxury. Introducing Vasa's 5-star products. 1. Premium whitening creams, enriched with collagen for a younger-looking skin. 2. Premium Gluta-White Egyptian Whitening Serum, enriched with glutathione, acts as a natural skin rejuvenating agent. 3. Rapid Glow Lightening Beauty Milk, a rich argan oil and vitamin A formulation to overcome wrinkles and render a beautiful skin. Radiating and dominating the markets are a variety of products like Keisha's hair and scalp conditioner, available in Jamaican black castor and red onion variants. These conditioners, enriched with antioxidants, help nourish the scalp and makes the hair stronger. Also experience the enchanting allure of burley hair oils, where nature's essence is captured to enhance the beauty of your hair.
مرحبا، يسعدنا أن أطلعكم على منتجات فازا أعجوبة القرن ال21.
It's a pleasure to introduce you to the secret of Arabian beauty, Vasa's Livia Cucumber Scrub Cream, a beloved dessert treasure, exfoliates and rejuvenates your skin effortlessly. Vasa's Beauty Now Coconut Hair Oil, infused with essential oils, provides to the element hydration and shine, and for your luscious hair locks. Vasa's shampoo with conditioner ensures strong and healthy hair. While Vasa's deepest hot oil treatment cream pamper your hair with a spa-like experience, discover the captivating array of Vasa's Livia Gel Face Wash, formulated to rejuvenate and enhance your skin's radiance.
Jumbo Wana, join me as I review the magic of exceptional ingredients and formulation best suited for African skin and hair. Vasa's superior lightening whitening lotions are augmented with kojic acid and best natural extracts like sweet pepper, carrot, turmeric and more to bring out your skin natural radiance and glow. And for a special beauty treatment, our advanced glow Bestro propionate formulations, namely Active Glow and Nimax, revitalize and restores the skin appearance. Laser White and True Skin contains strong active to accelerate skin renewal.
At Vasa Group, we celebrate the diversity of beauty. No matter your skin type or hair texture, Vasa's products are designed for your skin, hair, personal, baby, and men's care. From the heart of Europe to the sands of Arabia and the wilderness of Africa, Vasa Group brings you a world of beauty that transcends borders.
Unleash your beauty with Vasa Group. Your journey to radiant skin and hair care starts now.
Visit Vasa's websites to explore the entire range. Vasa Group, where beauty knows no boundaries.